Good afternoon, Professor Melissa. My name is Melanie Neal, and I'm going to be completing question number 5 of group assignment number 2, and our movie was Crazy Rich Asians. So the first part in the question was discuss one part or stage of the group project that was a success, and why do you think your group encountered little to no friction here? So during our group assignment, our group had amazing communication style, and everyone contributed ideas to the assignment, and everyone also listened with an open ear. And I truly believe this was the key to our success in having no friction to complete this assignment, because we were all able to communicate what had to be completed, and that was with full understanding, and this also created trust between all of us in the group. We also spoke about what programs we each were in, and this really broke the ice on any awkwardness that would have came about throughout the assignment, because this method was able for us to have trust. And also, while receiving the questions today as well, our group talked about each individual question, and this method had a really positive impact on each member because it created an easier thought process for what should be completed on all sides. So our communication style was the key to us having no friction. The second part to the question was discuss another part or stage of the group project that had problems and challenges, and why do you think the group struggled in this area? Honestly, during the assignment, we didn't really have any struggles that happened. We all communicated very well, and everyone got back to each other very quickly if there was a question that had to be asked. So I can say with full confidence that there was no struggles throughout the whole assignment. And also, like I said in the first part, talking about each individual question really helped us understand what had to be completed from all of us. And then the last part was just our AI transparency statement. So we did use AI, but we only used it to conduct what kind of analysis that we were using, because some of our articles that we found, we were unsure of if it was a secondary source or if it was a blog or a scholarly article. But when we Google searched it, the AI overview actually gave us the answer. So we didn't use an AI tool, it was the overview on the Google that gave us the answer. So for example, I thought that Linda's was a peer review, and I was right, but I just wanted to double check if it was. So I asked in Google, is public movie reviews peer reviewed? Because she was using Rotten Tomatoes, and it answered yes, it is a peer review. And Bree also used it for hers to determine that hers was a secondary source. Thank you.